Huh? Oh no! Oh, how did the gum get onto the chair? I need to fix this quickly. First, we need some ice, which we can use to freeze the gum. Come on out, you! There. Okay, let's apply it to the surface of the gum, all over it. Done. Now I'll place the jeans into a plastic bag and put it into the fridge, right into the freezer. We're going to see if it worked at the end of the video.
Right, where did I leave my gum? Uh-oh, I was going the other way.
Stop, Sam. We need to talk.
Later! I can explain.
My jeans already did the explaining.
I was just wandering around and I lost my bubblegum.
So you mean it was unused?
Well, Fluffy chewed on it a bit, but I figured out how to fix it. I've ordered a super mega awesome set for making giant gum.
And you think I'm going to help you?
Of course! I'm not going to lose gum that big, and you won't sit on it.
No, it means that you've given this set to me. It's moral compensation. Guys, if you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up. Wow, there are so many ingredients in here. Corn syrup, powdered sugar, gum base, flavors.
Come on! Start making it!
Okay. I'll need this bowl. First, I'll add 2 tablespoons of the gum base.
And I'll pour some water over it.
Sam, be careful!
It's under control!
We need to mix it and wait for the water to soak in.
Music break!
You're good.
Thanks. Guys, if you want to hear even more music from me, write your favorite song in the comments and I'll dance to it in the next video.
And our base is done. Now we can pour out the remaining water and start mashing our base. And we get this kind of mass.
Mash it better, Sue! Mash it!
Now it's time to add the corn syrup. Let's add 2 spoons.
It's so liquid and stretchy.
Like slime?
Keep mixing, stay focused.
It's so hard to mix with a spoon, but I've managed to make this.
Sue, it looks horrible. Let's at least add some coloring.
I agree, Sam.
Choose!
I think I'll take the blue one. Let's add it to our mass. And mix. No, really, the spoon is almost useless here.
Susie, let me help you. Ha!
Sam. Right, this is our base. Now we need to add the flavor.
Which options do we have?
Watermelon, blueberry, and mint.
Blueberry, of course. The gum is blue.
Adding it.
Smell is so strong as if a whole truck of blueberries crashed here. Are we done yet?
Almost. We only need to add powdered sugar.
Oh, it looks like snow. Don't overdo it, Sue.
This reminds me of something. Oh, right! That's what the process of mixing the magical slime looked like. Do you remember, guys? When we unboxed those Poopsie sets? And now it's done! I want to store the gum for later, so I'll divide it into pieces. Guys, if you like gum like I do, write your favorite flavor in the comments.
Yes! I like banana gum. And you?
I'll put the gum into a box to carry it around. These balls look just like store-bought gum. By the way, I forgot to try it.
You treat a cute small slime to a gum.
I've completely forgotten. I've got my jeans in the freezer.
I want to try the gum too!
I hope the gum is unstuck now. Let's see. Huh, it's coming off, but not very easily. And now my jeans are just like new.
And you were worried. Let's go play! This is fun!
Come here, you! Aw, man. This is fun.
Samantha! Is she sleeping? Samantha! Samantha, get up! What? Samantha, come
got
on!
lost. Can you see I'm sleeping?
Not anymore. Come with me.
Where to?
We're shooting a video.
Ask Sue. I want to sleep.
Sue's not home, and the video won't shoot itself. Come.
Fine. What's that? Who's leaving candy around?
Oh, Samantha, let's make another candy machine. Everyone loves them.
Well, if everyone loves them, come.
Guys, subscribe to the channel. This will give Samantha some energy.
Come, Mr. Chatterbox.
What's up, guys? Today we're up for another wonderful... be careful!
Why are you getting in the way? Go on to something useful.
Like what? Bring you something?
You decide. Why should I bother myself with that? You always do what you want.
Well, fine, I will.
Go on. And I want to make an incredible candy machine. For example, this machine is good. But here, you press the button and then you get a candy right away. But in the machine I'm going to make today, a candy will have to make a journey. I will mainly need cardboard.
Will you need sticks?
Yes! How did you guess?
Well, we've made so many cardboard crafts that I'm becoming an expert.
An expert? Perhaps you've learned to make parts for the craft with your mind.
What?
I knew it. And you are calling yourself an expert. Watch and learn. Poof! All parts are done with one movement.
I'm in awe. I'll go snap myself with a rubber band to show humility.
Oh, no, wait. I need rubber bands.
Oh, I'm robbed even of that.
Stop whining. Go cut some small parts out of colored paper. It's for decoration.
Oh, I'll be right back.
And I'll start assembling the machine. First, I need to glue these parts together. These will be the chutes for candies. I'll take my trusty glue gun and start applying the glue nice and slow. Each cardboard strip should be placed parallel to each other or it won't work properly. I've drawn a guideline for the middle part. It's just easier that way. And I'll place the strip carefully over the glue. Now the last strip. Applying some glue and done! I'll insert 2 more parts into one of the chutes. I need to glue them inside neatly. Speaking of which, well, it's more Sue's department, but these cardboard crafts teach to be careful. One wrong movement and it's not working. Like this.
What? I am working, and you say I'm not working?
What? I wasn't talking about you.
Oh, well, whatever.
He always hears things. Right. I'll place this piece of cardboard inside. In you go. Done. And now, let's make a funny part for the machine. We need to insert sticks into round cardboard parts and secure them with glue. They should hold really well. Then, remove the upper layer of cardboard. Oh, come on! I know I can! Phew! Okay, now, let's glue our hard-earned cardboard piece to the circles. I'll also apply some glue on the cardboard to make it sturdier.
While I was working, I got so hungry! Oh, a chocolate! I'll eat one piece. Well, half. Oh, who am I kidding? I will eat it all! What have you got there?
Look at this thing. Do I smell chocolate?
It's my new lotion.
Ah, and this is obviously your new face cream, right? Have you got out decorative pieces?
I'm working on it, duh.
Teasing me. If it wasn't for the channel, I'd quit and go play. Hey, dear viewers, which game are you playing right now? Write in the comments. Right, The candy slide is done. Let's continue. I need to cut away this part and glue it diagonally. It should fit perfectly like this. And this will be the front wall. To make sure candies don't fall out, I've glued a piece of transparent film. Let's glue the front wall in place.
Whoops! I hope it didn't hit you.
Not me, but something's going to hit you if you keep bothering me. Can't you be helpful?
Do 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 do.
Right. Let's attach the handle. I need to secure it well with glue to make sure it doesn't fall off. A few drops will be enough. And now...
Decorating!
Too early, Pipsqueak. Can't you see only one part is
But I
done?
have the decorations ready.
You can go ahead and make something else. These parts, for example.
Will do. Do 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 do.
And I'll make a spring mechanism meanwhile. I'll need wooden parts, cardboard parts, and rubber bands. Poof! Done. Now let's connect them with the first part of the machine. I'll apply the glue along the edges. Be careful, but you can have fun too. And place it on top neatly. The wooden levers should be right beneath the openings in the walls. It should move up and down freely. Now I'll glue a holder for the rubber bands. Right here. It's such a small piece, and I'll pull the rubber bands over. Oh, great!
Here.
Right on time. We're going to make a spiral chute.
For candies?
Yep. I've removed the upper layer from another piece of cardboard, and I'll roll it into a tube. Let's glue circle halves to this tube. They need to be tilted slightly. And I'll add small cardboard pieces on top and on the bottom. They'll direct our candies into the right direction. Yep. Uh-huh. Okay.
Is this just lying around or do you really need it?
I do need it. I'll wrap the spiral in it like this. Very carefully.
Oh, when can we start decorating?
Can't wait to do it.
Well, it's the fun part of the craft.
Is it? Well, I don't know.
Guys, write in the comments which part of the crafting is fun. I'm sure you'll agree with me.
I'll glue the lid, and then you can decorate.
I'm waiting.
Wait!
Is it ready yet?
It is. I'll go get some candies.
And I'll stick it in here. Wow, this is really beautiful.
Let's throw the candies in. Pew! 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 Pew, 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 pew.
Testing candy machine. Take one.
Yeah, this is a cool machine. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Where are you taking it?
To my personal collection.
Sharing is caring, Samantha! Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on any of our future videos. See you soon!